Hi friends, I am Gopinath, KP Research Center, Vidyaranyapura, Bangalore. Today I am talking about Nadi palmistry. Who learn palmistry? They have Chiro Benham books, but they don't have a very good Nadi astrologer R.G. Rao. Chiro learned Tamil Nadu in India. Okay, but he improved Western type. But we have one good astrologer, beautiful astrologer, R.G. Rao. He is a Indian, South Indian, lives in Bangalore. Okay. Everybody talk palmistry is a different subject, but astrology is ocean. Everybody know astrology, but astrology is different kinds. Okay, Nadi, Parasari, Gemini, Hasta Samudrika, Sarira Samudrika, Skull astrology, dream astrology, okay, like that. So many branches are there. But is there any connection, palmistry and astrology? Yes, but nobody connect astrology and palmistry. They are taking different branch. Okay, is there any connection in palmistry and astrology natal chart? You can try how it is connected. Okay. Now we talk basic lines after we go to natal chart and form. Okay. First, this one is Jupiter line, Mars line, Venus line, Saturn line, Sun line, Mercury line, Moon line. Okay, these are the basic things. Okay, now we have any connection to natal chart to palmistry, but we can see. Now we have one chart also there. Sun is ascending, then Venus and Mercury, Mars, Ketu, Saturn, Moon, Jupiter and Rahu. Okay, Jupiter and Rahu conjunction, then Venus and Mercury conjunction, Jupiter, Rahu, Mars 1-5 connection, then Moon, Venus and Mercury 1-5 connection, Saturn aspect, third aspect, Moon, Saturn opposite Venus and Mercury, Saturn as 10th aspect, Ketu. Okay. Now we can discuss about this natal chart is any connection our form. First one, Jupiter and Rahu conjunction. Okay, this one is Jupiter. Jupiter is Jupiter starting point, then ending point. Ending point is fork. So open mouth, dragon head. So here Jupiter is conjunction with Rahu. Then Jupiter and Mars, Rahu and Mars, any connection? Okay, here Mars line, here see the Mars line. Mars is, this one start Mars line, end fork. So open, dragon head, open mouth. So here the Mars and dragon head. Okay, then Moon, Venus, Mercury. Venus also near the Sun and Mars. Okay, here Venus line, Venus also starting point, then ending point. Here open mouth. So Venus connected dragon head. Okay, next we can see the Saturn line. Okay, here there is no observation Saturn line. Here one line is go to Mercury. Okay, so Venus and Mercury. Venus line connect to Mercury. Venus line, this one is Venus line, this one is Mercury line. But here Venus and Mercury line is connected, conjuncted. Okay, then Sun line. Here we can observe one line start, this one, that is Sun line. Very clearly Sun line start almost on 28-25 years. Sun line start to go to upwards. Then Saturn line also, here one Saturn line also start 25-28 years. 25, okay, 25 years Sun line also start, then Saturn line also start, go to Saturn line. Okay, Jupiter. First line is Jupiter line. Then Jupiter near Moon. No chart. Jupiter near Moon. Is there any connection? Moon. Here you can observe Jupiter line, Moon. Something is there? No, that one is Moon conjunction. So Jupiter, Moon, then dragon head. Saturn aspect Moon. Here Saturn will start in Moon mount. Okay, so here Saturn opposite Moon, then Saturn aspect Venus and Mercury. Here Saturn line also there, here bright line, then start to small lines. Okay, Saturn, Venus, Saturn line, Mercury, then Venus conjuncted here one line. So nobody can tell natal chart is equal to palmistry, but a great astrologer R.G. Rao speaks Nadi astrology, Nadi palmistry, then how it will connected. Okay, you can check if you have palmistry and astrology knowledge. You can check your form also. I check some more charts. It is true. So palmistry is real chart, scientific chart. Okay, if you know what age, what will happen. Thank you.